Describe a natural place, e.g. parks, mountains. You should say where this place is, how you knew this place, what it is like, and explain why you like to visit it. Answer. One of the most beautiful natural places I have ever visited is Sajek Valley, located in the Chittagong Hill Tracts of Bangladesh. It is often called the Roof of Rangamati because it is situated at a high altitude, offering breathtaking views of mountains, clouds, and lush greenery. I first heard about Sajek Valley through social media and travel blogs. Many travelers posted stunning pictures of the valley covered in clouds, which immediately caught my attention. Later, I watched travel vlogs and read articles about the place, which made me eager to visit it myself. Sajek Valley is a paradise for nature lovers. It is surrounded by rolling hills, deep forests, and small tribal villages. The most fascinating feature is the sea of clouds that often forms below the valley, creating a magical atmosphere. The weather is refreshing, with cool breezes and a peaceful environment that feels completely different from the busy city life. The sunsets and sunrises here are absolutely mesmerizing, painting the sky with shades of orange, pink, and purple. There are several reasons why I love visiting Sajek Valley. First, it offers a perfect escape from daily stress, allowing me to relax and reconnect with nature. The calmness, fresh air, and scenic beauty provide a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Second, it is an ideal place for photography and adventure. Trekking through the hills, meeting the local indigenous communities, and experiencing their culture make the trip even more special. Lastly, the hospitality of the local people and the delicious traditional food add to the charm of this place. In conclusion, Sajek Valley is a breathtaking natural destination that offers stunning landscapes, a peaceful atmosphere, and an unforgettable experience. Whether for relaxation, adventure, or simply appreciating nature, it is a place I would love to visit again and again.